Good day guys, Inspire Channel here, and greetings from Athens this time. I finally get here, and I know in Greece you're supposed to wear more appropriate beard, something more Greek style, but luckily for you, I already have the King Leonid's beard. And by the way, it's one of my favorite videos, so you can check it out. So I decided to show you something new, so today, hipster beard. One important note, before you do anything with your beard, you need to prepare it first. And luckily for you, my last video was exactly about this, my everyday beard care routine, and you can watch it right here. I already did it, prepared my beard, so let's get started. I want to start from the side. Took my good old body trimmer, put this thing to make the same length, and I'm gonna do 7 millimeters from the side. Now this time, not as usual, I will go only down size, okay? Usually I do both, but this time, when you have a long beard and when you want to keep the length on the bottom part, I will do on the down side with 7 millimeters. There you go, one length, 7 centimeters from the both sides. When I checked the pictures of hipster beards, I was surprised because it's tons and tons of different variations. So I'm gonna show you which I call classic. A little round beard, or you can say the point beard with the mustache goes up. I call it classic. Alright, the next step, I want to do a smooth line to remove this part. Smooth line under the mustache. Here and here. I'm gonna remove this length stuff, and probably for the more detailed trim, I'm gonna use this to get a little more accurate. Going for the line. That's not pretty bad. I like that. I like it. Now, I guess it's gonna be the most hardest part. I'm gonna do the pointed beard, and the only way to do it is the manually, without any length control things. Just a pure trimmer and your skills. What I'm gonna do is do it manually shape, and I hope it's gonna be fine. Again, as I'm always telling in my videos, you need to be extremely careful with this part, because you do one side, let's say right side and left side. The difficult part is to make it similar, because you do right side and you do left, and hey, left side is a little longer, so you do shorter, and then you, hey, wait a second, my right side is longer now, and you go here, and you can end with no beard at all. So just be careful with this one. Alright, that's pretty good. The one side you can see it in the camera, it's like very smooth and nice line goes here, and the other side is like, it's really messy. As I told you, the most hardest part is to do equal the same. Let's try. right. Maybe a little few more details. I think this is it. The pointed, the beard, with the one length to the side. I think it's not perfect. Gosh, it took some effort. Okay. Probably the last thing I'm gonna do with the beard. A pretty small touch, but it makes a good beard to a perfect beard. And unfortunately, I knew it only recently, maybe half a year ago. Just drives me crazy. And I never used it in my beards before that. Is the neckline. This line out here. It's very easy to do. You do just a round shape. But it's like when you wear the suit and you put your tongue. Beard is your suit. And this line is your tongue. You already look pretty good without it, but with tongue, you became to a sharp dressed man. And as you may know, every girl crazy about the sharp dressed man. Same trimmer. Jeez guys, it's like 2, 3, 5 seconds. It's literally 10 seconds to do. Maybe not so good seeing camera, but it makes a huge difference in the beard. So one of the last points I want to do is the mustache. And for the hipster beard, the mustache is, I mean, it's pretty important too. First of all, different men got the different mustache, obviously. Some guys, lucky guys I call them, they have already the mustache grows sideways. So basically all they need to do is just a little put them up. Kind of like this, you know, and you're already hipster. In my case, my mustache growing sideways and downward as well. So I need to remove the lower part which just covers my mouth. And again, I'm gonna use small for the more detailed trimmer. The first thing, I'm gonna remove this lower part from the lips, and then by manually hold the part of the mustache, I'm gonna remove the rest. Do it. Quick check, and you see the difference between one mustache and another one. That's already pretty damn good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go a little forward, and I want to separate the mustache. Okay, the classic mustache was the hipster beard. It goes like this, but I want a little separated to be a little more unique. Like that, a small touch, but I mean, a touch of spices for the already perfect dish. Alright, the last step is the razor part. As you guys may know, I don't use the razor for past maybe 8 years from my military service. So I'm gonna use the razor trimmer here it basically completely cut the hair. Well, what do you know? I can say, there you go, the perfect hipster beard. Now in the end, what you need to do is to put a mustache wax. I don't have with me here, unfortunately. You put a little bit on your fingers and then you roll your part of the mustache like this. Then you go up and you hold a little bit, and once you release it, you got your hipster style. Alright, we got the 7mm on the side, perfectly pointed beard, the separated mustache up to you, and of course the mustache goes up. Now, as you may know from the last few videos, in the end I recommend you some fragrances that fit the beard style perfectly. And I was thinking about this one. Which fragrances should wear the hipster? And it's not easy, because what you know about hipsters? They just walking down with a Starbucks cup, wear this fancy check t-shirt and ride their electric scooters. But the main point of the hipster, in my humble opinion, is to be different from the crowd. The people who don't want to look like the rest. People who don't want to live regular life. And then I realized that we already have the same fragrance. This is a Paco Rabanne Pure Excess. I think this is a perfect match with the hipster. It's completely unique, very loud, and extremely long-lasting. I do remember one time I was trying to wash it off from my hand with the soap, and it was there, so it's lost and lost and lost. It's super unique, you just can't find something similar. It's sweet and sexy, but completely different than 1 million, which everyone wears. It got this sweet and sexy and Coca-Cola taste. It will be absolute attention grabber, because this thing is loud. It seems to me, it's weird to say, but it's kind of vibrate on you, like pulsar, and with every single pulsar it became louder and louder and louder. But don't get me wrong, it's in absolutely best way of loudness. The DNA is very interesting, people love it, and they will notice you from a far away. And the longevity of this one, from all fragrances I know, this one is absolute beast. I never use any single fragrance which lasts so long. When you're riding your electric scooter, you can be sure that this thing will stay with you for the whole day. And then cherry on top is the girl reaction. Girl reactions, it's just amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
Well, okay. What about you?
Oh, just can't get enough of it.
Well, you see. Alright, this is it for me today, and I still have something to deal with. Okay, just kidding. While you're still here and watching the video, I want to quickly introduce you to something I'm really proud of. It's exactly related to the video I made. Years ago, I created a wallet, and not just regular wallet. The idea was to make the super stylish, yet useful, yet super slim and clean design, which is exactly perfect match for the hipsters. This is it. For the past 2 years, it's doing pretty good on Amazon, and I finally decided to show you to my audience on the YouTube. Now the story was that every single part of the wallet I choose by myself, the color, the material, and accessories. So my idea was to take the best materials possible, take the best design possible, and give it all to the best person to create the wallet. Now this is the handmade leather wallet made from finest leather possible to find, with a unique slim design, and my personal loving thing is the money clip. That's kinda part of hipster culture to have this. So you have a 3-color, I grabbed only one with me. From the main side we have the clear leather with an amazing logo, fabulous details which matched the color. Now the opposite side is the pocket with a small tiny window to little help you to go out from the wallet. And inside you have two pockets. One I usually use for my driving licensee, but you still can put something else there, some credit cards. And the second is another pocket for the credit card. And of course the main compartment with the banknotes. A quick tip, never put it down and put it back up. Nobody use it, so basically you just can take away, and when you need to put it back, you just put it back. Super easy, fast and easy, and it's completely secure. You can do whatever you want with this one and your money will be where it was before. Why I decided to create it is because I just can't find the proper product for myself. And when you can't find the proper product, you need to create it by yourself. For the past 2 years, this is my everyday wallet. Well, I have 3 colors, 24/7, I'm dragging this one with me. The biggest benefit to use the leather, well, finest leather, is that in time it just became better, and I can promise and guarantee you that this wallet you will easily be able to give it to your grandchild. This is how I'm sure of this product. So I encourage you to forget about your super fat wallet with 1,000 credit cards inside. Instead of that, makes life more easy. What you really need. For the last 1 year, I'm 24/7 traveling, and everything regarding the money I got in this wallet. So basically, you come to one country, you took some cash, you get the cash department, right? You have one credit card, and just in case, you have another credit card. And of course you have your driving license. And all this, you can put in every single pocket. Just to give you an example of thinness, this is my phone, and this is the wallet with money, 2 credit cards, and a driving licensee. You can easily put this thing front pocket of the dress shirt, of the jeans, the pants, the everything. And when you take it off to pay something, the people will be very impressed. I'll put an Amazon link in the description. It's 100% worth it, have a look. Alright, that was the perfect hipster beard style. I want to thank you for watching, stay safe, and enjoy your life. And I'll see you next city with the new beard.